Good morning, good evening, good night. Whenever you guys are watching this channel, first subscribe. Um, I've been looking over my videos and just say, for instance, this video right here, it says natural immunity. You see it got 1,200 views. Before, when I used to talk about this stuff, it used to get about 12,000 views. It's not being viewed as often as it used to. Just say, for instance, this video right here. It was removed. I put it up on September the 17th. 5 days later, they removed it and sent me an email. And you see what it says. It says President Trump speaks about Afghanistan. And I'm going to show you why they removed it. I'm going to show you the email they sent me. It says hi Welding and stuff. And they sent this on the 22nd, 5 days later. It says our team has reviewed your content. And unfortunately, we think it violates our misinformation policy. We've removed the following content from YouTube. So the name of the video was President Trump speaks about Afghanistan, and I think he should run in 2024 to help save the country. So that was the name of the video. And I'm going to show you why they said they removed it. We're going to keep reading. We know that this might be disappointing, but it's important to us that YouTube is a safe place for all. If content breaks our rules, we remove it. If you think we've made a mistake, you can appeal and we'll take another look. Keep reading for more details. And here is how they said my content broke the policy. It was kind of funny. It's a content that advances false claims that widespread fraud, errors, or glitches change the outcome of the U.S. 2020 presidential election is not allowed on YouTube. I did not once mention the 2020 presidential election. I wish you guys could have watched this video, but I did appeal it, and I'm going to see what the outcome is going to be. But I did not mention nothing about the 2020 election. This video might get removed because I said 2020 presidential election. It might get removed, but the one that they removed was not false information. This was just clips from videos from the news. And if that's the case, I see thousands of videos that should be removed. I see people doing crazy stuff on YouTube, but their videos are getting millions of views. And I understand it because it's about making money and people want to see people do crazy things. But I've seen videos, I'm talking about videos that should be on other sites. You know, even if you say a curse word on YouTube, sometimes they'll remove your video. But I done seen lot of inappropriate stuff on YouTube, and these videos are being widespread. It's amazing. But anyway, I'll tell you what the outcome of the appeal. Like I said, this video might get deleted. I don't know. My channel might get deleted. You never know about these people, because if they think that you're spreading information that they don't like, they remove the content. And it's very hard to fight against billionaires. It's very difficult. So share this video and tell me what you think. If you've had videos deleted because of misinformation or whatever they want to call it, share it and leave comments below. And again, have a great day and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.